Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: foods that can protect your eyes and improve your vision. Our eyes are incredible organs that allow us to see and experience the world around us. However, they are constantly exposed to various factors that can lead to vision problems. But fear not, because nature has provided us with an abundance of foods that can nourish and protect our precious peepers. In this video, we'll reveal 12 top foods that are packed with nutrients to help protect your eyes and even repair your vision. So, let's dive right in. Hi there, I'm thrilled to have you join us today as we explore the wonderful world of eye health. Just a quick reminder, our channel is for knowledge and education purpose and are not intended to replace the diagnosis of a doctor or healthcare professionals. Our eyes are not only the windows to our souls but also intricate structures that require proper care and attention. By incorporating certain foods into our diet, we can provide our eyes with the essential nutrients they need to thrive. So, let's embark on this journey to healthier eyesight together. First on our list are carrots and other orange-colored vegetables. You've probably heard the saying that carrots are good for your eyes, and it's true. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which gets converted into vitamin A in our bodies. Vitamin A is essential for good vision and helps protect our eyes from night blindness and dryness. Other orange vegetables like sweet potatoes and butternut squash also provide similar eye-healthy benefits. Next up, we have leafy greens like spinach and kale. These nutrient powerhouses not only benefit our overall health but also support our eye health. They contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that accumulate in the retina and help protect our eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Adding a generous portion of leafy greens to your diet can do wonders for your eye health. Moving on to fatty fish, such as salmon, tuna, and mackerel. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. DHA is a major structural component of the retina and plays a crucial role in visual development and function. Consuming fatty fish regularly can help prevent dry eyes, macular degeneration, and even improve overall vision. Let's not forget about citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are not only refreshing but also fantastic for our eyes. They are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps maintain the health of our eyes. Vitamin C also supports the blood vessels in the eyes, reducing the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Nuts and seeds are also great for eye health. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are packed with vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which are beneficial for maintaining healthy eyes and reducing the risk of age-related eye diseases. Snacking on a handful of these nutritious goodies can give your eyes a natural boost. Tomatoes are not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for our eyes. They contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects our eyes from damage caused by free radicals. Lycopene has been associated with a reduced risk of cataracts and macular degeneration, making tomatoes a fantastic addition to our eye-healthy diet. Now, let's talk about eggs. They are a fantastic source of lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin E, and zinc, all of which contribute to better eye health. Lutein and zeaxanthin accumulate in the retina and lens of the eye, where they help filter harmful blue light and reduce the risk of macular degeneration. Including eggs in your diet can help protect your eyes from various eye conditions and support overall vision. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries, are not only delicious but also excellent for our eyes. Packed with antioxidants and vitamins, these colorful fruits help improve blood circulation to the eyes and protect against oxidative stress. Their anti-inflammatory properties can also reduce the risk of eye diseases and support optimal vision. Colorful bell peppers are another fantastic addition to our eye-healthy diet. They come in vibrant shades of red, yellow, and green, and each color provides unique eye protective benefits. Bell peppers contain high levels of vitamin C, beta-carotene, and vitamin E, which help protect our eyes from damage caused by free radicals and promote healthy vision. Whether you prefer raw bell peppers in salads or cooked in stir-fries, they are a delicious and nutritious choice for eye health. Next on our list is turmeric. This bright yellow spice contains an active compound called curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies suggest that curcumin may help protect against age-related macular degeneration, making turmeric a valuable addition to our eye-healthy diet. Sprinkle it in your curries, smoothies, or even make a warm turmeric latte to reap its eye-boosting benefits. Avocados, the beloved creamy fruit, deserve a spot on our list too. Packed with nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin E, and carotenoids, avocados help support the health of our eyes and promote clear vision. Plus, their healthy fats aid in the absorption of these eye-protective nutrients. So, let's guac and roll our way to better eye health. Last but certainly not least, we have legumes. Foods like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are not only a great source of plant-based protein but also contain bioflavonoids and zinc. These nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining good eye health. Including legumes in your diet can provide essential nutrients that support healthy vision and reduce the risk of eye diseases. And there you have it, 12 top foods that can help protect your eyes and repair your vision. By incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet, you can give your eyes the care and nourishment they deserve. Remember, maintaining healthy vision is not just about getting regular eye exams, it's also about making smart food choices. So, load up your plate with carrots, leafy greens, fatty fish, citrus fruits, nuts and seeds, tomatoes, eggs, berries, bell peppers, turmeric, avocados, and legumes. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights on how to protect your eyes and improve your vision through your food choices. Remember, a nutritious diet combined with regular eye care can go a long way in maintaining healthy eyes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel,